Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Andrea with Foodimentary Adventures in Food, and I am here today to share one of my favorite recipes from my childhood, which is chicken and dressing casserole. I got the recipe from my mom, and this is the perfect dinner to make during this fall season. And so let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some celery, an onion, some butter. You're going to need a whole chicken or chicken parts. Now, I happen to have these chicken drumsticks in my freezer, so it's about 3 pounds, so that's what I'm going to be using. You're going to need some Pepperidge Farm Herbed Seasoned Stuffing, and you're going to need a can of cream of chicken. Now, I happen to have cream of chicken with herbs in my pantry, so that's what I'm using. And you're also going to need some cream of mushroom soup. So if you're interested in seeing how one of my favorite childhood recipes comes together, stay tuned. So I have my chicken in the pot. I cleaned it up, and then I have water that is slightly covering the chicken. I have a celery stalk in there, and I also have some onion. I added some onion powder and some poultry seasoning. I talked to my mom, and she said you really don't need to add any additional salt because there's enough salt in the cream of chicken and the cream of mushroom, and it'll be fine. So I'm going to let this cook all the way through, and then I'm going to take the chicken off the bone, and then I'll come back and show you next steps. So my chicken finished cooking. It took about 45 minutes, and then I just took it all off of the bone. And so now I am going to make the rest of the recipe. So in this bowl, I have my cream of chicken and my cream of mushroom, and then I'm going to add about 1 1/4 cup of that yummy chicken stock. And I'm just gonna give it a good stir. That was a piece of the onion that came out. And I'm just gonna stir it up. So here's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna pour this over the chicken. And here it is. And now it's time to work on the stuffing portion. All right, so in my bowl, I have exactly half a package of this herb stuffing mix. There it is, just half the package in the bowl. To it, I'm going to add 1 stick of butter that I melted. I'm just gonna pour that over. And you're going to add a cup of chicken stock. All right, so the stuffing mix is moist, and all I'm going to do is just place this over the chicken mixture. So, just like this. All right, so I have the mixture all over the casserole. I am going to cover this tightly, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven for about an hour at 350 degrees. When it is all ready, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So, chicken and dressing casserole is out of the oven. So I baked it for 1 hour covered with foil, and then I took off the foil and baked it for an additional 15 minutes. So I baked it for an hour and 15 minutes total. And here it is. Tastes just like I remember. It is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple and easy recipe. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.